Yes. So, President's rule, the union government can dissolve the state government anytime it wants with the President's rule. That power the central has. So, what is a state legislature? See, guys, when you come to my next class, please make sure you have a notebook and a pencil. It's not mandatory. It's not mandatory, but it's for your own good. You can just write down some points. You can stop the video, you can play it back. It's on YouTube, so you can listen to it and write down the important things. Make your notes. What I say is all going to interact with your book. And please, again, class 7, my bad luck every time. Please don't give me that question answer things. Understand the subject, please. It's a request. Folding hands, I'm requesting you. Understand the subject. It's not about only question answers. Question answers are only for playing the match, your exams. But if you understand what is the state government, any damn question comes to you, you will crack it. 100% I'm telling you. I cannot say which question will come throughout your lifetime, but I can say what type of questions. I am giving you the answers to all type of questions. So please, if you really want to study hard, if you really want to do good in life, I am not God, I cannot make you good. I can help you to become good. That's what I can do, but I will not do bad. So just keep a pen and paper handy whenever you are listening to something. Whenever I say it's important, just write it down. Just write it down. If you want to, it's not mandatory. Again, I'm telling you, I cannot. It's not a military force rule. Only if you wish to. If you think it's important, you write it. If you don't think, please don't. Even if you don't think to watch my video, please don't watch it. It's not hard and fast rule. It's all up to you. Your life, your rules. I don't have rules, because this is my job. I do it, I get paid for it. Okay, fine. But right now, so I have to do my job. So as long as I love my job, I'm going to do it. So if you want to grasp, you grasp. If you want to digest, you digest. If you don't want to digest, no one is going to force you. At least I will not force you. Okay, so best of luck. Let's start again. State legislature. The state legislature, that's what in your book first comes the state. I just wanted to explain you what is the state government, but your book says state legislature. Anyways, we'll do it that way only. Otherwise, again, you will say that, sir, this is not in the book. Like that, this will happen. So a state legislature that has two houses. I told you first only. Known as Legislative Council, the Vidhan Parishad, bicameral legislature. The Vidhan Sabha is the lower house that corresponds to the Lok Sabha. And the Vidhan Parishad is the upper house that corresponds to the Rajya Sabha of the Parliament. The state has got two houses, Vidhan Parishad and the Vidhan Sabha. Vidhan Sabha is the lower house for the state. The Vidhan Parishad directly gets in contact with the Vidhan Sabha can contact the Lok Sabha, and the Vidhan Parishad can contact the Rajya Sabha. Okay, that is the state legislature. How many state legislatures are there in India? I don't know how they have given this state legislature, legislative council, legislative assembly they have given at the last. Okay, fine. State legislature. In Article 169 in the Constitution of India, as of 2000 November 19, after the bifurcation of Jammu and Kashmir, 6 out of 28 states have a state legislative council. The latest state to have a council is Telangana. Okay. Information. What is state legislature? Again I'll say. Is a generic term referring to the legislative body of any country's 50 states. The formal name varies from state to state. Okay. In the state there are two houses. State Legislative Council, Vidhan Parishad, the State Legislative Assembly, the Vidhan Sabha. Vidhan Sabha contacts with the Lok Sabha, the Vidhan Parishad gets in contact with the upper house of the Rajya Sabha. The biggest state, Uttar Pradesh, has 404 members in its assembly. Okay. Right now, India has 8 union territories, 28 states. Jammu and Kashmir has been bifurcated into 2 territories of JK and Ladakh. The newly formed union territories have been formed under Reorganization Act passed by the Parliament on 5th to 6th August 2020. Okay. Information. Is India a state? Or what type of state is India? States and union territory. India, a union of states, is a sovereign, secular, democratic republic with a parliamentary system of government. The president is the constitutional head of the executive of the union. In the states, the governor, as the representative of the president, is the executive of the state. Head executive of the state, the governor. Correct? Understood? Does each state have its own legislature? Every state consists of 2 separate legislative chambers or houses. It's called the upper house and the lower house. Who is the head of the Vidhan Sabha? Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister and the leader of the opposition are there. Okay. Clear? That is the state legislature. Now what is the legislative council? That will come back later. But the state legislative assembly we must come to know first before we do the legislative council. What is the assembly? Okay. For every state there is a legislature which consists of governor, one house or 2 houses as the case may be. In Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Telangana and Uttar Pradesh, there are 2 houses, Legislative Council and Legislative Assembly. Vidhan Sabha and Vidhan Parishad. In the remaining states, there is only one house known as the Legislative Assembly. Parliament, by law, may, M-A-Y, may provide for the abolition of an existing legislative council or for creation of one where it does not exist. If the proposal is supported by a resolution of the Legislative Assembly, then only it will go astray. The Legislative Council of a state comprises not more than 1/3 of the total number of members in the Legislative Assembly of the state. and no case fewer than 40% members. We'll come back to it later. I'll explain it in a much more another angle. So you will read till here. State legislature, state legislative council. Understand that, and after that I'll explain it to you. So till then, take care, be good, be home, be safe, study, eat, sleep, play, everything together, and enjoy your independence. Happy Independence Day. That 73rd one is complete, and we have gone into the 74th year. And Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Proud to be an Indian. Bye bye. Take care.